Hey guys, back at the property today. Came up for the weekend. I'm gonna try to get some of these floor joists cut so we can install maybe the rim joist. See if we can do that today. Last weekend was a bust. We forgot the wrong saw, so today hopefully we can make some progress on this. We've got a few hours to work on it, so let's see what we can get done. I brought my track saw. Should make life a little easier. Might be a little more time consuming, but I think it'll end up with a better job in the end. So those are all the joists I have to cut. Looks like my chalk line is still here. The one farthest out is the one we're going to use. We just had to go 3 inches longer, just because we had the length to do it, so why not, right? Okay, I'm going to square these up and set up the track saw and hopefully get these all cut today. Well guys, it's the story of my life. I haven't run out of staging, but I've run out of deck boards to stand on. So I'm going to move these 3 or 4 to my right, and then we can finish up these last, I don't know, 10 joists. All right, back in business. Guys, wasn't as bad as I thought. Got them all cut. Actually, it worked out really well with the track saw. Just took a little longer. I haven't cut the one on the end. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one yet. I'm just going to tie that into the end of the rim joist or end up cutting it, but I'm going to leave it for now. Okay, I got the joist blocking in around this tree, 6 inches on all sides. I may have to add some corner bracing in before the decking, but that's all set. Now the last piece is to cut the last end joist. Then I can finally put this rim joist on the ends here. I wouldn't advise anybody doing that. That was a little sketchy. I think it's time to invest in a safety harness. Looks like we have some bad weather rolling in. Not sure how much longer I'm going to be up here. I try to cut this rim joist, but I don't know. Doesn't look good. Can you pick up this hair? Oop, that towards me. Right there. Good? Yep. Come on, rain. It's clear over there. Wait till these boards go sailing around the front. I put some food in the bowl. All right, yeah, the weather does not look good. Before the rain gets here, I think I'm gonna take, we have a little surveillance camera right here. I'm gonna take it and move it to a better location. The signal here is a little spotty. Sometimes we have a decent signal and other times we don't have any signal, so I'm gonna move it. All right, guys, I'm not sure what the issue is. I just spent the last 10 minutes walking the property in different areas trying to find a signal, and absolutely nothing. So I'm going to take it home and see if I can get a signal. Maybe there's firmware or software that needs to be updated. I'm not sure, but I'm going to take it home and bring it back with me next weekend.